मैं धोते ही क्यों है? हाय गाइस, आई नो बहुत टाइम के बाद आई हूँ वापस. So मैंने वापस दिल्ली बाकी and actually I wanted to make a video from so long. I know I haven't posted in so long, पर टाइम ही नहीं मिल रही है. जब से फ्लाई करना शुरू किया मैंने फिर से, भाई साहब, या तो मैं एयरपोर्ट स्टैंड पे होती हूँ या मैं हैदराबाद में होती हूँ. इसके अलावा और कहीं जा नहीं रही हूँ मैं. And it is so hectic because you're out of your base for like 6 to 7 days and you're just flying and then back to the hotel, flying back to the hotel, and you're just so tired. I just sleep the whole time. मुझे कुछ करने का टाइम नहीं. I always think कि हैदराबाद जाऊँगी, वीडियो बनाऊँगी, और कुछ नहीं होता है, कुछ भी नहीं होता है. I am so sleepy, tired और lazy half the time, whatever. And now also I am so exhausted. just stand में कुछ नहीं लगा है, बस हाथ में पकड़ के बक रही हूँ. बट दिवाली पे भी बनाना था, पर दिवाली के एक दिन बाद फिर से मैं हैदराबाद गई. सो we all we did so much for Diwali and I wanted to show you all. Okay, not so much, but like we had a lot of fun and खतरों के खिलाड़ी. Finally.
Yeah, so as you can see, we tried doing a lot for Diwali, but it was our first little thing to just light up our house or make it look like it was Diwali. And yeah, so
I'm making this video क्योंकि actually अभी recently flight पे a lot of things keep happening on your flight, right? Every other day flight पे ऐसे नमूने आते रहते हैं. हर flight पे कुछ ना कुछ होता ही होता है. So but recently, yesterday especially and a few days before that, ऐसे दो चीज़ें हुए हैं that I'm just like, it just irritated me so much. Like it pissed me off to a whole different level and I don't know why. Okay, I am very short tempered, but when I saw this happening, it just pissed me off to a whole different level. So first चीज़ ये हुआ था, I don't know which flight we were doing. I think we were doing Delhi, Indore, Delhi, and so रात की फ्लाइट थी. एंड सो फर्स्ट सेक्टर वॉज वेरी चिल, पीसफुल, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. सेकेंड सेक्टर, ना रात की फ्लाइट है, सो वी पुट ऑल द लाइट्स ऑफ, लेट एवरीवन स्लीप. ऐसा कुछ ज़्यादा ये नहीं होता है, इट्स लाइक इट वॉज ऑलमोस्ट सेफ 10-11 एंड एवरीवन वाज स्लीपी एंड टायर्ड, सो ज़्यादा कुछ सर्विस भी नहीं होता. सो माई क्रू एंड आई, वी फिनिश्ड ऑल आवर सर्विस, सब कुछ, एंड लाइट वाइट ऑफ किया एंड वी सैट, हम बस बात कर रहे हैं. एंड नाउ फर्स्ट रो पे
there was a lady, her child, infant, okay, so the infant was on her lap and there was a couple next to her. No, there was a girl sitting next to her. She was traveling alone, and there was a couple on the aisle seat, and on the next 3 rows it was his wife and 2 children. Okay, so lady with her infant, another lady, another lady's husband, and his wife and 2 kids were on the other side, on the other 3 rows. Now this lady's husband, the one who was with the kid near the window seat, her husband was sitting on the 3rd row. Okay, on the 3rd row, like, so she was sitting this side, aisle है बीच में, and the husband was sitting that side on the 3rd row, बीच के सीट में बैठा था. So this lady, when she came only, she was holding all the bags, holding the child and everything, and we were just like and then I remember sending my crew ki like, please help her out. And then वो सब कुछ ठीक है, बैठ के, and now the child was quiet the entire time. Okay, like he was quiet, I don't know, but the child was quiet the entire time. थोड़ा बीच में रोआ, like take off time and all of that. The child was fine, and she was also like pretty chill with us. And now we didn't know that her husband was also traveling. Okay, so everything was fine, and even the guy and the 2 kids and the lady that was sitting next to them, even those 2 kids were quiet. Okay, बहुत कम होता है कि बच्चे ऐसे चुपचाप बैठते हैं फ्लाइट पे. So they were like very quiet and they were sleeping the whole time. So during descent now, obviously बच्चों के कान में दर्द होता है, सबके कान में दर्द होता है, but at least we can verbalize it, we can vocalize it. But बच्चे क्या करते हैं, वो सिर्फ रो सकते हैं. So this child
was crying the entire time, like बस चिल्ला रहा है, रो रहा है. And this lady, she was so tired, you could see the exhaustion on her face. Okay, and वो ऐसे she was sleeping and when the child started crying, so ऐसे उठी and then she didn't know what to do and she's trying to like get the child to like quiet down and stuff, and now she wanted to take out her bags from the thing ताकि कुछ पिला सके during just before landing whatever. And then she called us and she's like, can you call my husband? Then we got to know, अच्छा बंदा वहीं पे बैठा है. And this guy, I swear, he was like, your child is weeping his eyes out and you are just like that. Okay, like he wasn't bothered at all. And then we called him and I'm like, your wife's calling you. And then she's like, oh okay. फिर I swear करके उठा बंदा and he went and like, what do you want? मैं और मेरे क्रू आगे बैठ के just like क्या हो रहा है? And I was already getting very irritated that time. Okay, I'm like, you can see the lady is struggling and it's not only her child, right? And then she like get me the bag, कुछ bottle निकालना था उससे, तो bag हटाया. Now captain has told us to secure the cabin for landing. So I'm like, okay, कोई नहीं, इनको 2 मिनट दे दो अपने ऊपर नीचे करने के लिए. ये secure the rest of the cabin. Came back and I'm like, sir, could you please be seated? ये सब कुछ हो गया. Okay, put the bag and all on top. ना उसको ना तो बच्चा लेना है ना बैठना है, बस खड़े ऐसे आगे खड़े होके ऐसे देख रहा है. And then so finally now the child was quiet with her. Okay, बच्चा ऐसे उसकी गोदी में बैठा है. वो बंदा जबरदस्ती बच्चे को उठाया उससे. Okay, he forced her to give the child to him. He carried the child, went and sat in his seat. Now the child is away from his mom. His ears are already hurting. और जो bottle निकाला बैग से वो तो माँ के पास है. And this child has started screaming like worse than before. Okay, worse than before, like just screaming. And whole landing, the child was just screaming and now you can't get up. Nah, we can't get up, you can't get up, no one can get up. And this guy, I swear to God, ऐसे बोला हमें नहीं, his wife. मैं मेरे क्यों ऐसे देख रहे? I'm like, did you see that? Are we looking at the same thing? And then she looked at my face and I'm just like, you can't get up. I don't care what happens, but he can handle a child. And we finally landed and we're still on the runway. And this guy, he gets up like that, we're halfway and he's like, क्या कर रहे हो तुम? Like he's telling his wife and like, can't you see she's crying? Or he's crying, whatever. And I'm like, even you can see your child is crying. Why are you yelling at her? And till we turned from the runway, till now you can't get up. And we have to taxi quite a lot, okay? And now, okay, I understand. Sometimes we do let people in case of emergencies. But हम जैसे taxi कर रहे थे. And that now if she gets up to take the child, और अचानक से ब्रेक लग गया, वो बच्चे के साथ गिरेगी. And I can't let that happen, obviously. So I was like, no, just wait for some time. And this child was screaming and even the other family that was sitting next to this lady, the guy turned around to him and said, you know, it's okay. His ears might have been hurting, it will be fine in some time. इस बंदे को भी पता है तो तुझे क्यों नहीं पता है? And then he's like, yeah, but still she can come. And then before I could say anything, this guy only told him कि she's not allowed to get up right now. You'll have to wait for some time till the aircraft stops. And I'm like, wow. पहले passenger को देखा जिसके पास दिमाग है, but okay. And again, this guy got up and he started screaming at her like, the child is crying. I don't know what to do. I'm telling you, I was getting so pissed off at that point. I was like, it's okay. किसी पे चिल्लाना नहीं है आज. And then I had no other option. The way this guy was yelling, and then I felt so bad for her. And she was just looking at my face like, please. And then I'm like, okay, wait. So then I told my crew, मेरे साथ बैठी थी, I'm like, you go. You take her with you and let her get the child and come back. Because for me, we were already at the bay. So I was like, in case something happens, so my crew will bear the fall. क्या क्या करना पड़ता है. But anyways, so she got the child, came back and sat, and that guy वापस सो गया. वापस and then when they were deplaning the aircraft also, this guy was ऐसे बैग उठा के ऐसे हमने मुझे तुझे बाय भी नहीं बोलना है, तू निकल, तू मेरी फ्लाइट से पहले निकल तू. And then he got her, and that poor lady, she was holding the child and the bags again, and she's like, thank you, I'm very sorry. And I'm like, why are you saying sorry, right? And then मर्द ऐसे क्यों होते हैं? मर्द होते ही क्यों है? Anyways, वो एक इंस्टेंस था. सेकंड जो कल हुआ है मेरे साथ फ्लाइट पे. ओके, सो इट वाज़न्ट इवन माय फ्लाइट, आई वाज़न्ट ऑपरेटिंग, आई वाज एक्चुअली traveling as a passenger from Hyderabad to Delhi, and so I was on the overwing exit. I was on 10th row. I was on 10F near the window. So there were two other guys sitting next to me, and the guy who was in the middle seat, he was very tall. Okay, so his legs were like pretty long, and he was like struggling to sit there, though it was extra leg room and stuff. So there was this. Now I didn't notice. I was exhausted. Okay, I was exhausted after flying. I had just done a flight, and I was traveling as a passenger. So I was exhausted. I just wanted to sleep. So मैं अपना शॉल वॉल लेके कार में म्यूजिक लगा के ऐसी थी. I was लाश की तरह थी मैं वहाँ पे. But you know something's happening next to you, right? And then मैं ऐसी थोड़ी उठी, देखा तो there was another guy sitting on the aisle seat that side. Okay, he was on C. So he got up and he told this guy that you can sit on the aisle seat, I'll sit in the middle seat. Middle seat कौन लेना चाहता है willingly वो भी. I'm like okay whatever. तो आके बैठा बंदा. Now as a girl, as a lady, we have this instinct कि हमें पता है जब कोई आपको देख रहा है, and we have this skill that we can ignore the people who are looking at you. Especially if a man's looking at you, we have this weird skill or superpower कि हम बस ignore कर सकते हैं इसको. So this guy, he wasn't even like ऐसा, he was like मैं बेचारी आधी नींद में गुड नाइट I don't even care. And तो पूरी फ्लाइट पे एक तो ऐसा फैल के बैठा था. And then I fell asleep. Okay, after that I fell asleep. And then now the crew, they were coming around to serve food. And so नींद में someone with their elbow was just like ऐसे. And obviously I woke up and I'm like, huh? And even that girl started laughing, okay, the way this guy was just like. And then she's like, would you like something to eat? And I'm like, no, I don't want anything. And I went back to sleep. When I said no also, but it was like, हर दो मुझे दिख रहा है तो मुझे देख रहा है. And then मैं कुछ भी कर, like I was sleeping the whole time, but when I was waking up for like the slightest sound or like to turn or whatever, he was like and then now everything was done, whatever was happening during the flight happened. अब ये बंदा after thing trash wash हो गया, they came collected trash and everything. Now उसके बाद फिर से उठा. Now ये बंदा 10 बार उठ रहा था सीट से, okay, 10 बार उठ रहा था. और ये बेचारे बंदा जो aisle पे बैठा था, he had to get up 10 times. I felt so bad for him. यार बंदे को बैठने तो दे. And then अब फिर से उठा बंदा, एक कोक बॉटल लेके आया बैग से. पूरे फ्लाइट पे कोक पिया जो बचा कुचा टाइम था. He drank that whole bottle of coke. और डकार मारे जा रहा है. And I don't know, I get very irritated with all of those things. Okay, I'm just like, ew, not next to me, please. And okay, वो सब कुछ हुआ. Now trash wash हो गया इनका. Now again he got up, he got something to eat from his bag. Okay, so they give a set of cutlery and stuff, right? And paper cup, tissue, ये वो. So this guy he ate जो भी खाया इसने, फिर टिश्यू विश्यू से हाथ पोछा, कटलरी का ये पैकेट था जो भी था, ऐसे टिश्यू से हाथ सब कुछ पोछा, ऐसे नीचे फेंक रहे, लिटरली ऐसे, अरे सब कुछ चुके, द कटलरी, द बॉक्स, व्हाटएवर ही वाज ईटिंग एंड द टिश्यू लास्ट में ऐसे नीचे फेंका, एंड आई एम जस्ट लाइक, I woke up, I looked at his face like that, and I'm just like, I just rolled my eyes, and I'm like, what the, what? I didn't even know what to say, and I'm like, अब घर पे भी ऐसे ही करते हो? I think you do. I was just so disgusted, and I'm like, who do you think is going to be cleaning up after you?
And then it just hit me that these are the people living in our country. These are the people. It's hard to believe sometimes कि नहीं ऐसे लोग नहीं हो सकते हैं, you know. But then when I see things like that way, I'm just like, ऐसे लोग हैं, ऐसे पागल भरे पड़े हैं. And I'm like, I have a video of it. I will attach that.
Visit our website or app to enroll now. Post this flight to
I was just so traumatized. I was like, and then when I got up again for something, again he just like, and then we landed, and I didn't want to take out my earphones because he just kept on doing that. He like, and I had like this feeling when I took out my earphones, he tried saying something, and I didn't want that, obviously. But I was just so disgusted. Like, ऐसे लोग क्यों है? It's common courtesy whether you're on a plane, on a train, a bus, whatever. It's not your house to be littering around. Yeah. Anyways, वो दो चीजें हुए थे अभी recently मेरे life में जो I was just like, yo, what even? And I know a lot of things keep happening on a daily basis, and I shall tell you all more next time. Just that I didn't have a lot of time to do anything. These are just so caught up in doing other things like flying and sleeping. But I have a lot planned, and I will try keeping up with it very soon. And I shall also see you all soon. And I hope you like this cute, weird mixture of a video. जो मैंने बहुत चीज़ें डाले हैं इसमें. Of how I'm crying about my flying and how I'm crying about passengers. But I shall make more videos soon, and you can always let me know what you all want to hear next, what you all want to know, and I will definitely check that out. Bye guys, please subscribe if you all haven't subscribed already. Please, I'm still trying to grow, and hopefully I reach that target one day. If you haven't subscribed and you like my cute pretty little face, please do subscribe and help me out. I will be very, very, very thankful to you all, and I will definitely make it up to you all if I reach my target one day. Bye guys.